Okay, please continue.
Okay. So this is your control, your hardware information, all these things. Okay. Okay. So these are the hardware we have in our unit. Okay. So this is your controller. Okay. So the S7 400 series.
Hmm.
Okay. So in
Okay.
S7 400 series, we are using a DCS controller. It's not a PLC. It's a DCS controller.
Okay.
Okay. So it's what it's we
Actually,
have two types of controller we have.
actually, what's the difference between the PLC controller and DCS controller?
Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, okay, the PLC, they used to sell as cyclic scanning, they used to tell, and then DCS, they used to sell as bulk scanning. Okay, these are major important. Okay, different is that. So what is the different in this case means, okay, mostly PLC mostly used in manufacturing sector. Okay, a DCS mostly used in oil refinery. The major reason, if I am using the PLC in oil refinery, for example, hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So what are the problem I will face means, okay, how the PLC used to scan it means it scan rung by rung. That's why they're calling it cyclic scanning.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So first rung completed, second rung completed, third rung, fourth rung. So
Mm-hmm.
if you have 20 lakhs rung or 10,000 rungs, you means one by one, one by one, one by one executed. Okay. Just imagine if this PLC is working in oil refinery. Okay. So they will selecting the first rung, the tank level is measuring it, opening the wall. Second rung, okay, any alarm is there? No alarm. Okay, third rung, okay, pump is open. Fifth rung, okay, something execution. So like this, it keep on going. It's very fast only it will goes. Okay, it's a very fraction of second it will go. But it will completing the like in a 5,000 rungs at the time there is some alarm will coming in the second rung. Okay, some fire
Okay.
or sparks or something. But the PLC doesn't know that it will not scan that second rung. So what you do, it complete is all the runs. What are the pending rungs? Yeah, at the bottom. He complete all the runs and then only it go to second rung and then it start shutdowning the all the application. Okay,
Yes.
that
Yes.
that fraction of time. Okay, that's not a very big time. It will not going to take like in a one or like a 30 seconds or 40 seconds will take. That 30 seconds or 40 seconds it cause big accident.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so that's the main reason we are not using the PLC in process plant.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
okay, so
But
that's why we
but
are.
this is
uh,
controller.
yeah, how the DCS does means, okay, DCS what they do means it will not first it will scan whole the run, but it will not execute. Okay, what the PLC do? It first run scan, it will execute, but this DCS will not do the execution. Actually, DCS works slow. Okay, and mainly if you see means, okay, so it will scan from the 0 to 100 rung or 1,000 rungs, how many rungs you have. It will scan and then it execute all the things at a time.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then it will wait for the result and then it will scan again.
Okay.
Again, it will execute.
Yeah, I
Okay.
understand. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the way the DCS works. So that's why we are process industries, because of process industries, they have the continuous loops. Okay. So if you take
Mm,
oil refinery means from the crude oil to petrol, you are taking the petrol or whatever thing you are taking from the crude oil to petrol, your continuous pipeline should be there.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in this case, the PLC will not work out here.
Yes.
Okay. So that wise we are using the DCS CPU.
Okay.
Then it depend on your requirement, we will make some updated. Okay, for because of you are using this controller, we are using in oil refinery, we need to have a large area want to cover. So we introduce a lot of protocols in DCS. Okay, communication cables, different types of communication tape cables, different types of interfacing modules. So which is flexible for the your oil refineries. These are things we will support it with this DCS controller. In a PLC controller, what are the things your requirement is there? VFD, servo motors, pulses. So simply I can tell is in DCS, I need more analogs. In PLC, I need a digitals. More
Yes.
digitals I will use. Because in a manufacturing sector, so there is no analog there. There is no requirement of analog there. The digital is more requirement is there because they're having on and off only. It's there, I will fix. If it's not there, I won't fix. That's it. But in oil refineries, you levels, pressure, flow, velocity, temperature, all these things we need to know. So we need more analogs. Okay.
Okay, I got it. But
Okay,
yeah,
fine.
in DCS, Siemens
Uh,
S7400 all series are DCS controller.
no. That's I said. No, coming to say
Yeah.
S7 400 series. They are supplying two types of all. They are supplying the CPU for PLC also. They are supplying the CPU for DCS also. So both the way you will have the support in S7 400.
Okay.
Okay, but the thing is where they get changes means in library file programming way that changes will happen.
What? Le
Nothing else. Inside this, once you're opening the project, okay, you'll have some library files you have.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Okay.
okay, that library file, using that library file only, we will develop some programs. Okay, and like in timer, counter, all these things. Okay, so
Hmm.
that library files, okay, which is we are having is PCS7. Okay, PCS7 means that library file is used for only the oil refinery it can able to support. That library file help you to develop. Okay, but
Okay.
if you go to manufacturing library file means they're quite different.
Okay.
Okay,
What's type of different?
that we can go to the class and then we can see, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
surely I will
Okay.
tell you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. So this is our CPU. Okay,
Uh,
so in this CPU, so this is a model number of the CPU 412 underscore 5H PN slash DN. Okay, so
mm,
this is CPU model number. The internal inter with CPU with they already the power supply is given. Okay, this power supply unit also provided in the CPU. So only you want to give 230 volt to the supply. It will internally it gives all the 5 volt, 24 volt, what are the supply it will provide and give to the CPU. Okay, and
mm,
here we have a protocols. We have DP, Profinet, MPI, IF1 and IF2 is a empty slot only. Okay, so DP means decentralized peripheral. That means it's a Profibus. Okay, this is
okay.
a Profibus protocol. Okay, that's why they call us a decentralized peripheral. Okay, so it will the distance actually the communication is the distance. Okay, and then speed. So this from this controller to your interfacing module. Okay, this distance is 1.5 Mbps speed.
Okay.
Sorry,
1.5.
1.5 kilometer you can travel.
Oh,
Okay,
1.5 kilometers.
kilometer you can travel, and then same ways 1.5 Mbps speed it will data transfer.
1.5 kilometer, 1.5
Yes,
Mbps.
Mbps, right?
Okay.
Okay, and then you can from here to here also you can take 1.5 kilometer.
Mm-hmm. DP means Profibus.
Yes,
What we
yes.
call. Okay. Okay.
Decentralized peripheral. Okay, they are
Mhm.
master. Okay,
Uh,
fine. Yeah, this is a physical layer cable. Okay, it's a special cable they will use. Okay, fine. So here
mhm.
first interfacing module you added is ET200S.
Mm, okay.
Okay, IM 1511HF. This is a model number of this ET200S. Okay, because ET200S is one folder. In this folder, this is the exact model number we are using here. Okay, so we need to configure this all these things. Okay, I will teach you how to configure here. And the next is Profinet.
Mm,
Okay,
okay.
Profinet is similar. Okay, it's a similar like a Ethernet only. Okay,
Mm,
here the Profinet is connected with the scalens.
mm,
Okay, from the scalens. Okay, this is scalens is nothing else. It's like a switch gear.
mhm,
Okay, switch gear means nothing. We can like how your internet we are getting the switches to multiple computers.
mhm. Yeah,
Yeah.
by switch, by switch.
Yeah, by switch. Yeah, similar way, this switch is used to interface your multiple devices. Okay, so Profinet connect with the scaler from the scaler's interfacing module to multiple system. Also, I can connect and I can connect HMI. I can connect VFD if it supports Profinet.
Okay.
Okay, so that's we can able to do. So short distance, maximum 200 meters you can go, and 50 Mbps speed it will travels. Data transfer speed.
Oh, 50 Mbps.
Yes, this is speedest protocol. Okay,
Okay.
but short distance, and then your cable cost is also very less.
Profinet cable.
Profinet cable is not a nothing is Cat5 cable which is you're used in internet our home we are used, right? Same
Mhm.
cable, same jack.
Oh, same cable says RJ45 connector type.
Yes, just RJ45 connector only. That's enough.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but the Profibus cable is quite is a okay. We can check in internet. Okay, yeah, Profibus cable is a Profibus cable. Okay, it should be
Yes,
like
yes,
this.
yes, yes. I know this.
Hmm? So
I
we need to
know.
have this adapter.
Yeah, yeah,
Adapter
yeah.
this adapter also Siemens adapter only you want to use it.
Uh-huh. Connector.
Okay. Yes, connectors are most probably Siemens adapter only. So the cable is like an it's a physical air cable they used to tell us. That is what is the reason they're telling us it's a special cable they want to buy, which is
Expensive cable, this
internally
one.
shielded. Yes, it should be shielded or okay. Profinet cable is nothing else. Is a no, no, not this one. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Same. This green color cable and
Yeah, green color. Yeah, same. But the jack is they are given
jack
some
is
different.
RJ45 connector.
Yeah, RJ45. This cable they initially. Yeah.
But dear brother, yeah, this green color cable and Profibus cable have any different?
No, you can use Profinet. You no need to use this green color cable also. Sorry, sorry, sir. What's your question?
I'm saying this type of green color where we are using the Profibus cable, that there's application we can use this type of green color cable.
Profibus or Profinet?
Uh, I'm saying just Profibus cable is expensive. So on the Profinet cable, if we want to use in the Profibus application purpose, there may require fail their speed.
Yes, you if you make a distance extra, then automatically your data will transfer is fail.
No, no, sir. I'm saying if I have some the connector with RJ45 to RS232. In
Okay.
that application, I want to use the Profinet cable with
See, yeah,
Profibus port.
I got a question. So you want to convert that one to Profinet to Profibus, am I right?
Yes, yes. But
So you
speed
want to
have
use
any
converter.
issue? If any issue
Yes,
for
yes.
speed.
That's we need to check about the controller what we are using first and where you are going to connect at the another end. You're going to connect with your HMI or VFD or which thing you are going to connect. That we want to check it all these things. And
Mhm.
what type of converter you are using there in middle. Profibus, Profinet to Profibus. So you are asking is okay. Simply I can tell is Ethernet to RS485.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes. But speed or any application purpose,
No, no, no.
this
That is
any problem?
we can use RS Ethernet to RS485. We can use converter, man. It's simple only.
Oh,
I can provide one the brand called IPCon. This brand is, I think, this brand is okay. I think so. This brand I used IPCon. IPCon, they are a converter they are providing. So using that converter, you can able to do that one. But the distance, maintain the distance. That's it. But it will
mm,
work long time, no issue.
mm, mm,
Okay, no problem in the
mm, mm.
communication disconnection. All these things, there is no issue at all.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Please continue.
Till I worked at that, I don't find any problem. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So using this Profinet, it's a short distance multi-device interfacing we can able to do. Okay. So what is the difference between Profibus is Profibus long distance. You can connect seriously. You can connect 125 interfacing modules. You can connect. Okay.
Mm,
125 or 120 interfacing modules you can connect seriously. Okay. Profinet, you can connect with this type of scalens, multiple switches scalens also we have in the market. Okay, here I'm using 8 switch scalens only, 32 switch, 64 switch scalens also we have in the market. Using the switch, you can using multi-device, you can interface, but only maximum is 200 meters. Okay.
okay. But in Scalens, there is different type of speeds Scalens have, right?
Yes. You can have the different types of scalens also. We can have the scalens to Ethernet to fiber optics also converting scalens we have in the market.
Oh, oh. But application base, it need to use.
Yes. Yes. What type of application you use and also that application the controller also need to support.
Oh. Okay. And brother, if I want to connect with the interface module in the PLC with the PLC, not
So,
DCS,
so, so,
uh,
just
uh, just open your slide. Yeah, I'm saying if we want to use PLC with the interface module ET2 200S, then there have an issue
you want to connect this ET200S with this CPU,
with this. No, this is DCS
not
CPU.
this NAS 400. You have some other S7 300 or anything else, right?
Yeah. Then
Yeah, you
any.
can. You need a GST file. Nothing else. I will show you how that is also. But here I can't able to show because I am using S7 400 software. Okay.
Mhm.
But this is a procedure. They are also you need to do.
Oh.
Okay.
Mhm.
In this uh, did I tell later? Okay, because that and that. Okay, first I will complete this one. In this I will explain it. Okay,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
question I will keep in my mind. Okay,
Oh, okay, brother. Please
but we
continue.
can, but we can 100% we can.
Okay.
Okay, but the controller need to have the Profibus adapter. It should have. If it have the Profibus adapter,
Mm-hmm.
S7 300 CPU, that the CPU have the Profibus adapter.
Yes. MPI,
Okay, then
MPI, PC adapter,
MPA with adapter.
MPI.
Yeah, so you need to have the Profibus with MPA support adapter. Some controller only MPA they have. It won't support the Profibus.
Uh,
Okay, so
okay.
you need to check that one. Okay, then you need to connect the adapter. Then you have the hardware configuration. You want to go to the hardware configuration. Okay, in
Mm,
hardware configuration, in the right side, you have the standard libraries you have.
okay.
Okay, in the standard library, ET200S folder you have.
Okay.
Okay, in this ET200S folder, what interfacing module you are using in your hand. Okay, that same interfacing module library file that is called a GST file. Okay,
GST file. Yeah.
yes. That GST file you should have.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if the GST file is there means you can just drag and connect with this cable. Suppose your controller will support that your hardware means automatically this GST file also install here.
Brother, can you say something about the GST file? I used, but I don't know about that.
Yeah. See if you have a okay file, I will open the file. I will tell you. Okay. Some other one project I will open and show you. No. Restart பண்ணிட்டேன். Okay, this is my controller software. So directly I'm going here. I have a different. This is also similar like a schematic manager only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we have the like a just think about this component view. This component view only mostly we have in our PLC. Okay, we don't have plant view there. Here we have schematic 400. In this schematic 400, we have the hardware. So this hardware only we will work on it. Okay. So what is a GST file means here? So here we have one. Here we can see here. Once you expand this Profibus, okay. So Profibus interfacing module. What are the things you have? Everything should be inside these folders.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in
Okay.
this, suppose I am working in ET200S. I want to connect to this ET200S means once I have the ET200S folder, I have expand ET200S folder. So I have the interfacing module. So these are the interfacing module I have. So now I want to connect this interfacing. Just I will drag and connect here. Once it's connect, okay, fine. The equipment will connect. Once you download this here to your hardware, automatically this equipment also connect with this hardware. Okay. Suppose this interfacing module you don't have. That means this file is you don't have. This is called a GST file. This GST file is not installed in your hardware.
Yes.
Means okay. Then you need to have device integrated management. This software you need to have in your system.
Okay.
Okay, device integrated software management. So this is my system. This is a higher version I have 8.0.2. So now 9 also we have. Okay, so because belongs to the PLC, the lower version we have. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
7.0, I think schematic manager S7300 SK 7.0 6.0 they are using. Okay, so in this, go to files. Okay, so you have the GST files you will download from the your what are the GST file you have that you want to download from your website, schematic manager website, or all these things. Okay, sometimes if it doesn't have the GST file, you can go here, you can suppose I don't have GST file here. Mm, so this option is wrong. Okay, we will try this way. These are wrong. Okay, I will complete what are the things I know. Okay, so you
Mm-hmm.
can have the I will separately I will download the GST file from the website, from the Siemens website. I will download it. Okay,
Okay.
so once a website, it will not directly install in the hardware. That means it will not show here. Okay, now what
Mm-hmm.
I do means I will open the software. I will select that which thing I've downloaded from the website. I will ask to read the file. Okay,
Okay.
okay, it will give means it will start reading the what are the GST files you have in your system. Everything it will read it in this and it will show.
It's scanning which type RGSD are installed, right?
Yeah, see, once it's installed, okay, it will show the list here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are the GST file we have in this? Everything it will show in the list. So we need to select the what are the things we have, what are the things you want to install in your in your software. You want to select the GST files. What are things you want? Select it. Integrate. This option you'll have integrate. Once you
Mm-hmm.
give the integrate, now what will happen? Automatically, this will integrate it to your software.
Mm,
Then
okay.
you will get this GST file. See, this GST file I don't have here because this is a foundation field bus. This GST file I'm not installed in the system because I don't have the I didn't have the GST file right now. I have another system. I have the GST file that I am installed that, but I don't have installed the GST file here. But this GST file I'm already installed. While I'm installing the software itself, I installed that GST file using this device integrated management.
Okay.
Okay, if you have the software only, then only you can able to install that GST file. Suppose if you ask me how to download the GST file, means that is slightly complicated
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
because that's a like in a we are getting the software from someone else, the GST software. Sometimes you freely get from the your official website of Siemens. Sometimes you want to pay €1 or €2, you want to pay and then you need to get it the GST file.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
But
I got.
once you get, this is the procedure to install it.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
Okay, clear.
Clear.
Okay. If you have anything else like that, means at the time you call me personally, I will help you. Okay. Don't know. No issue.
Mm, okay. 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 Brother.
Okay. Fine. Once again. Once again. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So today we create a new project one. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Okay. I do one thing. Creating the new project it will take time. Okay. We do one thing. Someone project first today. I will start some topics of class. Tomorrow, finally after 10 minutes later, we will create a project, new project. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Because creating the project it will take 20 minutes of time. So why we need to waste your time? Okay. So once you create the new project, okay, you will get the two pages like this, component view and plant view. Okay.
Hmm.
So these are two pages you will get. Okay. In
So,
this
so
hot,
these two pages
yes,
together on,
yes,
right?
together on.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the difference between the component view and plant view means? Okay. Component view. What are the hardware you want to do? Okay. So
Hmm.
you are doing the hardware configuration. Okay. Your SCADA station you're adding. Okay. So everything you do in the component and what are the program you are going to develop. Okay, programming, SCADA, designing. Okay, these are things everything we do in the plant view.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, fine. So first once you open the project you will have this schematic 400. Okay, because while you are entering to the software, so that is also I'll tell you how you enter to the software file, note it down.
Hmm.
Okay, new project wizard.
Yes.
Next, so here you will select the model number AS 412 underscore 1H. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
so you answer selected in this A003GF. That's exact model number.
A
Okay, 003GF.
3GF. Oh, this is model number.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Number of communication 0.
Why zero, sir?
Yes. Because here we are they are asking is extra any communication module in your CPU you are
Oh,
added. No, I am
yeah,
not
yeah.
added any extra communication.
In
Okay.
same rail, we cannot communication.
We are not added any. So internal what are the CPU we have inside the CPU that's only we are using now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, we are not extra CPU extra communication we are not added. Okay, so that's why I'm given 0 here.
Hmm.
Okay, next. So hierarchy, what is the hierarchy means in DCS? They're telling that okay, how many different way you can disconnect the project. That means develop the project. So like a manager, assistant manager, supervisor, like this. How many hierarchy level we can able to make? Okay. So once it comes in entering to the project, then you can understand clearly about the hierarchy all these things. Okay. Maximum I can go 5 hierarchy here. Okay, here I'm working with a three hierarchy. Okay, I will explain you later deeply about the hierarchy. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
so, and then two languages we have CFC and SFC. So but CFC only you can able to develop the project. In SFC you can't able to develop the project. SFC used for only the maintenance section. Okay,
Hmm.
so okay, now I work on the going to work on CFC. Later I will explain that SFC also. Okay, so
Okay.
now where we are going to develop the project means PCS7 OS. So this is your actual software name. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
PCS7 OS single station system. That means only one DCS I'm going to use here.
Hmm.
Okay, then give next, and then give your project name. Any name you can give and browse. Anywhere else you can browse and your you can save your files.
Hmm.
Okay, C or D drive, anything or folder anywhere else you can make it. Then give okay, and then if you give finish means it will start creating the project.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so now we are not going to do right now because it will take time. So I'm going to skip the application. Finish. Okay,
Hmm.
cancel. Okay,
After
so once you
finishing, this will come, right?
these two pages will create.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah, we do create new page after like in 11:45 we will do that one. Okay, 11:50 we will do.
What is this?
Okay, okay. After 10 minutes of class, we will do because it will creating the project will take 20 minutes of time. We need to
Mm-hmm.
waste unnecessary 20 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
that's why.
Okay. Okay, sir. No issue.
Okay. So in this now, once it's created, so you will get this pages like this. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. You get this type of page. Okay, so it should be like this. Like it will create a this form. It will be put horizontally. Now automatically two pages will open in horizontally form. In
Mm-hmm.
this schematic 400, select the schematic 400. Okay, expand hardware, expand the hardware.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so in this already this is someone project, that's why it's created. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now this is the page you will get it. Okay, so you will get the CPU. Okay, first in CPU we have the power supply. Okay, CPU protocol DP, MPI, PNIO, port 1, port 2. Okay, so
So
first
this
the
this
DP
this
is,
automatically created, right?
yes, automatically. What that means, you're while you're coming inside, you're selecting your CPU model number,
Yes, yes,
right? So
yes.
in that CPU model, what are the things you have? Everything automatically comes in this page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's why I said no. In S7 300, if you're trying to connect your another ET200 S means, if you select proper CPU means automatically you will have this DP protocol.
Yes, I got it.
Yes, suppose in S7 300, if you doesn't have the DP protocol CPU, if you selected means, okay, then you can't able to enable this port. This port, this cable you want to enable, okay, right click, insert Profibus or master system, okay. Likewise,
Mm.
you want to give and then you want to make it as, you need to enable this cable. Once you enable this cable, then you need to add this interfacing module. Suppose your selected CPU doesn't have the DP option, means then you can't able to enable this port, then you can't able to add this your interfacing module. Okay, clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Now we have this DP Profinet. Okay, sorry, Profibus, and then we need to add the Profinet also. In Profinet, right click, insert Profinet IO system.
Mm-hmm.
So this Profinet, okay, works in the IP address. Okay, object properties. Um, okay, I will tell you that once you create newly create you, then I will tell you how to add the IP address. Okay,
Okay. So
because
here,
that's the
here,
exact.
here scallions no need to
No need to add.
okay, no need to add. How to directly we
Yes,
are connecting
directly
in
we
the
will
hardware.
connect.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now first we need to add the Profibus. You have the here we have the different library. We have standard, current module version, PCS7, schematic outdoor version. Okay. So we have the here is PCS7 version only. We have library file we want to use. Okay.
Mm.
We should not use a standard also. So what will happen means sometimes, okay, standard also I tried. Okay. Same library only you will get. But what is problem will comes means, okay, after you downloading, some library file will not support your hardware.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay, but while you're adding, the no problem will comes, but while you're downloading, it will show error in hardware side, not in the software side.
Yes.
Okay, so you want to use exact PCS7 library. In that library, because in standard library also you can see, I will show you standard library also in a DP. I can see the ET200S. In this ET200S you can see the
Mm.
multiple libraries.
Yes, yes.
Okay, multiple GST file you can see, but if you go to PCS7 Profibus ET200S, only three models you have. Okay,
Mm.
what is the difference I am faced means, okay, the in that the reverse version libraries are there in standard library. Okay, so sometimes we will use that reverse version, so that reverse version are creating some problem for while you're downloading the program. Okay, so this is the main thing we will see here. Okay, here the standard library we have ET200 as first interfacing module. In this IM151 1HF. In this third one only we are using here. Okay, how to identify which is our exact model number? Select the product, check the order number.
Okay.
Okay, so this order number and my order number is matching or not, I will check it out. um, 6ES7151 1B A02 A0A B0. So first one is not matching. Okay, because here A is here 1B A00,
Yeah, yeah.
1B
One
A01,
1B01.
yeah, 1B A02 only matching here, right?
00 not available here.
Now third one is get matched, right? Okay. Now drag this interfacing module and connect with this cable. Okay. Here I will
Mhm.
give the slot number is 4, address is 4. So that address also you want to match in hardware side. Okay, we have dip switches we have.
Okay.
That dip switches you want to enable in the 4, then the address also here also you want to make enable in the 4.
Okay. So here, yeah, some the compatibility if same new versions hardware we have, but old version software hardware if we put, but compatibility is same, then we can use it.
That means you're asking is your hardware is new version you have.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
But
New
but
version you have. Ah, yes.
but
But
I'm
your
saying
software,
software is old as it is before we are fixing.
yeah, that's it. Your hardware GST file is showing or not in your software
Mm, maybe
you
not
want to check
because
it
of
out.
this is update. So I'm saying if any hardware have
Yeah,
problem
yeah,
after
yeah.
some years, we want to replace it, but old hardware we cannot found. That time, new hardware in the software not available.
No issue,
That
no issue. Wait. Your point is okay. You have the oldest hardware, but your software is latest version.
uh, uh, no, 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 sir. In my program, who's doing the program, that time our hardware is old. That hardware is messed. But after some years, 10 years or 5 years later, the hardware is changed because of new hardware are available. Old hardware not available. That time, if we want to fix the new hardware, but in our program structure, there have no new versions, and that time have any issue.